Hello everyone, here I am with the self-practice 11A with question number 1. Match the figures with their names. So the first one, the 2 points you can see in both the end, O and P. So among this, which one is the appropriate answer? Line, parallel lines, ray or line segment? So do you know this answer? I hope if you have saw that introduction video properly, right? So in introduction video, I've properly explained what is that, right? I'll show you the explanation part which I have done. So just see the first one. So this is the first one, the point, and the line segment here. Two dots were there, 2 points were there in both the end. Yes, they have one end point. So it is a line segment. So this is getting matched with this. Yes, OP and here AB. So it is a line segment. So do you have an option of line segment here? Yes, we have the option of the line segment. So your answer will be line segment. Now you can see one arrow mark is written there, given there, and PQ line segment is there. So if you have such case, then you see this is getting matched with ray. Yes, in one direction, in another direction it is, and AB here it is. So now your answer will be, the appropriate answer is ray. Absolutely, isn't it? So proceeding to the next one, we have, so you can see here there are two options left, that is line and parallel lines. So the appropriate answer will be lines. So I will explain you also this one if you have not understand this properly. So why I have given the answer line here? Just check it out this. If you have watched the introduction video properly, you will be able to solve this type of a sums without any end point. So it doesn't have any end point. It may have certain direction. Yes, this has no such end point. So this answer will be line. So the answer is line here. Okay. So proceeding to the next question, we have, just see the D portion, the two line which are never going to meet in the future. Okay, until and unless you extend. However, moreover you extend it, no problem, they are not going to meet. Okay, so if such is the case, then we will consider that as parallel lines. All right. So with this, we are over with the question number 1. I request you all kindly watch the introduction video which I have made. So if you are watching that video, then only the questions which is set here will be solved, will be able to solve these questions. All right. So let's proceed to question number 2. So heading forward to the question number 2, we have state true or false for the following statement. So a line has a definite length. So what do you mean by line? So line, I'll draw a line here. So a line, if you have two arrow, yes, on both the side, then that will indicate a line. So I have taught you that a line doesn't have a fixed point. That means it doesn't have a fixed length, but a line segment has a fixed length or a definite length. So this answer is false, because they do not have a fixed length. A line does not have a fixed length, but a line segment has a fixed length or a definite length. But okay, so if suppose there was line segment here, then the answer was true, but here it is line, so the answer is false. So it doesn't have definite length. A ray has one end point. So ray will look like this. Yes, it has one end point. If suppose it is north to south, it is you can easily depict here that you can easily say that it is moving from north to south. So the answer is true. Okay. A line segment has no end point. So a line segment has no end point. So a line segment means in both the side it has a point, that is point A and point B. So but the statement whichever is given here, a line segment has no end point. No, it has certain end points. Okay, so the answer is false here, because a line segment has a end point. It has end point, and if suppose there was, instead of line segment, it was suppose their line, then the answer would be true here. A line has no endpoint, but a line segment has endpoint. Okay, so the remaining one, D, E and F, will be a home assignment. I want you to watch the video if there is any confusion with of that introduction part which I have sent you. So I want you all to see that video properly and solve this if there is any confusion. Still, if there is any doubt, kindly share with me. Feel free to ask me. Okay, so this much for today. In our next class we will proceed with the next self practice. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.